Another rainy day. Oh well, let's get this day started. Good morning, Ginger. Good morning, Chloe. How are you? Good morning, Nestor. I gotta feed and let you out. Hold on. Yeah, Ginger, you wanna eat? Yeah. Let's get you some food. Yeah. You ready to eat, Chloe? Huh? Yeah? You ready to eat? Where's your bucket? It's all the way over there. Oh. Why do you do that? Hi, Nesta buddy. Hi. He's like, I want to come say hi. You ready? Sorry, Ginger. I mean, Chloe. It's a rainy day today. Yeah. Rainy day, Nestor. Rainy day. All right. Let me go get your food. Get Nestor's food and we'll feed Nestor. We got Nestor fed outside. He will eat and then we'll let Ginger and Chloe out. But it's raining, so we'll see if they go out. But Nestor's underneath the wash stall, so he's not getting wet. Right, Nestor, buddy? Now we'll come down and let the chickens out. Come on out. And the little chicks, the olive eggers, are in there. And now we'll come and let the goats out. It's raining out, so they're all inside. When it's raining, we leave the top door open. They're small enough to get out of just the bottom. But when it's raining, they will not come outside. Hi, girls. It's raining out. I know. You want to be fed? Yeah. Guys want to eat? Huh? Everybody's like, yes, feed us. Feed. Can spread out, you know. They gotta compete with each other to eat the most. Now we gotta feed the boy goats. They're impatient. They don't even give me time to feed them. All right, boys, don't fight. Everybody's got plenty of food. I don't know if you can see it, but we gave them hay inside today because it's raining. All right, I'll be back. See you later. Okay, Nestor. We're done feeding everybody. Now we're gonna let the horses out. Are you done eating? Pretty much, huh? We'll let the horses out and we'll call it a day until later on. Hopefully it'll stop raining. Thanks for watching. If you guys got time, hit the notification bell and please subscribe. We appreciate you and have a great weekend.